Welcome to Rickle's World Class. Saving water in our world.
Did you know that 97.5% of Earth's water is found in oceans?
Fresh water.
Earth has 2.5% of fresh water, but most of that is locked into ice caps and glaciers.
Sustainability.
This means only a small amount is ready for human use, making it even more important for humans to save water and keep it sustainable.
What actions can take to help save water? Turn off the tap water.
Each minute brushing teeth uses 4 gallons or 15 liters of water. By turning off the tap, you can save gallons while you brush.
Take shorter showers.
A 5-minute shower uses about 12.5 gallons or 47 liters of water. Taking only a 2-minute shower would save 7.5 gallons or 28 liters of water.
Reuse rainwater.
On average, 1 inch of rainfall on a 1,000 square foot roof can yield approximately 600 gallons or 2,271 liters of water.
Use a low-flow toilet.
By using the half-flush option on a toilet, you can save about 1 gallon or 3.8 liters of water.
Be a water hero.
Little actions each day can make a big impact on water and the earth.